Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris, and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
Final recording of the studio since 2019 to 2023. So been here for 4 years. It's time to move to a different studio. This is the second studio. The first one was 4 years from 2017, 18, 19. 4 years? No, the first one was 2 years in the first studio. And we did 4 years in this studio. This is the studio that I got the 100,000 silver play button. Yeah. And we're heading for the million now. So as I said, new studio. Take it from the house. New studio. So I'm about to pull this together now. Yeah. Today, Monday, March 27th, 9 o'clock. Let's pull it down. Let's get it down. Let's get it down. Let's get it down. Get this studio down. Right, so the time is 9:59 a.m. almost 10 o'clock, Friday the 31st of March 2023. This is officially the new home of Morris Time Cooking. So yeah, they did a little bit of cleaning, but you know, our cleaning is different, you know, because the mirror, no, that not clean. That not clean. That not my standard clean. But I'm just doing my regular run shows. Thank you, Father God, for yet another achievement, another milestone. We're gonna make it work. And I like the fact that it's soundproof. When I'm working, you won't hear nothing. No noise to distract. Yes, that. Let's go. So we have 2 boxes there. We have another box there. We have the famous island. Of course, we have 3 more boxes right here. That's the Morris Time kitchen in a nutshell. Moving it out, you know? Let's go. Take a last look at the spot. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Just get some quick stuff. You wash, clean. You know what I say? Scrub down the bathroom. Have a lot of stuff here. You can't really see. It's the 31st. Tomorrow is the first month, but they allow me to move in today. And it's after 7 March 2023. So this is the current state. Everything is in boxes, you know. This is the current state. Gonna show you what it looks when I get it done, cleaned up properly. You know what I say? It's a good look so far. Alright, so get the couch clean. I didn't get the record, but there is so much here on the bottom. Get some on purpose. So I say, screw the ground. See, look how much hair I got off the couch. Because the person that was living here had a cat. And look, cat here. So I'll get the rough wipe. And then we're gonna go over it again. You see what I say? So we just all-in-one disinfectant spray. air freshener. So because it's a little bit wet, so it will soak it up, not too much. Finally finished podcast era. This is gonna be that podcast era. And then we have the setup. The cameras are supposed to be in soon. And this is the setup that we have for now. Yes. Gonna be adding more. Those are gonna be moving. Gonna move those. Those are not gonna be there. But this is the setup that I have for now. And as I said, because I just moved in basically just now, so I'm gonna get this set up properly to just get that Morristown cooking feel. You know what I said?
You need any bag?
So I'm gonna get the first ever video done. You know, it's Easter time, so we have the setup going on right now. Everything is in place, cameras are there. I'm still yet to get a few more stuff in. As you can see, we change the color of the countertop red, black. Change the color of the countertop to black. You see what I say? I'll go now quick. Let me give you a quick tour before I start. Hold on. So here we have the computer decks, still yet to be set up and stuff like that. As I said, I moved in a few days ago, probably a day ago. Right, we have the freezer over here. I bought a few stuff, you know, I moved into a new space. I have to get everything feed. Bought a few stuff to cook this week for videos. And then we have in the fridge, we're going to be making the first video, we're going to be making escovitch fish because you asked for that for the Easter time. I have the fridge stock out to an extent. I don't mind the chocolate, I just snack on something every so often, right? Over here we have a small coffee table and we have a couch which we're going to be using for podcasts as well as mukbangs. You see what I say? Then over here we have the table. So come here right now. We have the table right here with all of my essentials there that we're going to be using, right? And I added this feature on here. It was a regular natural wood thing, and I spray painted it and screw it onto my island. I have this island 3 years now. Naturally natural wood, no pun intended, right? And I just wrapped it to give it a nice cleaner look. So we have that in black. We have our stuff weighed out that we're going to be using for today's video. Of course, we have the cameras here. I just got a call. Internet is arriving right now. So we have the cameras right here, right? 2 cameras. We still need lights and stuff above our heads. And we have the chairs. We have the stove top. Giving a quick tour. Remember I say? Same mats from the old set studio. I have the same mats, right? Over here now, you have this section with the, you don't know, me love Magnum from me at teen, you know. Drinking age still. Jamir made these when he was like 4 or 5 years old, and I have them since. And some of my books from school and them thing there. Over here now we have all of my stuff them that I gathered over the years. You know what I say? Different cookers and stuff like that. Yeah. And we just pack those away neatly. As I said, everything is still yet to fix up properly. Yeah? So I'm just going on a little quick run. This is not for storage, but hey, come on. We're trying to make use of everything. That's the vent, but I say we can fit some beans and we did it. Right? And of course, you have the microwave here. Yeah? Has the light and everything under there. You need to clean up a stove properly. It's hard to get these things out from the previous person. Have the play button. You don't know me represent St. Ann because I used to live and work there. I'm represent Manchester because that's where I come from. I got these in the summertime while I was in Jamaica. The Wear and Nephew limited edition white overproof rum, the Parish collection, and it's 70% alcohol. You don't get these in 70%. I think you get them in 60. And of course the homemade side, because everything is homemade here, came with me. Over here when I went to Jamaica last summer, I got my own custom bottle of Appleton rum. I poured it myself, bottled it and everything. So the date is right there. Check out the channel Morristown Family if you want to see videos on this, right? I have a lot of vlogs over there. And then right here, you know, me have the hot chef was a special gift. You see me I say during Christmas time. So big up for me gift, you know the vibe. I have the blender, not the blender, the mixer. Some oatmeal for breakfast. Whenever time I there and I do my meal prep. I have my bananas and stuff. Got this Star Wars thing years ago. This man one cup. Got this cup in Jamaica years ago as well. Got this at a YouTube conference years ago. The date is probably on there. When? 2019, yeah. Got that years ago. And of course, Maritime merch, the Safe Travel upon the Gravel. And then this is my personal cupboard right here. Because I'm going to be doing meal prep and some snacks some I like. You see what I say? And yeah, these my protein shake and my cereal and my meal prep container, my blender for make my protein shake. So this is my personal cabinet. And then over here now we have like some dishes up here. You see me? Yeah. And of course we are gonna make some Easter bun a different style. Yeah. These were made from clay, but I don't know what's the background, so somebody comment and let me know. I saw them at the thrift store and I'm like, I like these, so we take them. You see what I say? Yeah. I have the calabash, the coconut thing and the sink and something. I have a dishwasher there, oven. You see me? And the setup is here, so that is it right now. That is it. More stuff are yet to come in. And we're gonna go live with the cooking. That is it. That is the Maritime Cooking new studio. The old studio was at home and the kids are in the house making noise. Sometimes it's hard to focus on the work. So I had to make this bold move to say, hey, I need a separate spot to dedicate this to my work. So I have my editing area over there. So I have my podcast area, so which is yet to set up properly. And then I have my cooking area right there. So comment below and give me some ideas, man. You see what I say? And feel free to give the video a thumbs up. Many more content is on the way because now I can just record right through. Get up early morning, I know I'm in a work mode, no disturbances. The windows are soundproof, the apartment soundproof. I was trying to get like one of those office buildings, but I couldn't get any. So the best thing I could have gotten was a small studio space, and this is it, and it's just perfect. So let the cooking begin. And I must let you know that I do have 2 ebooks out. One is Maritime Cooking's Jamaican Christmas recipes, and the second one that dropped a few days ago is Maritime Cooking Easter, Jamaican Easter recipes. Yeah, grab a copy. Link will be in the description down below. Enough love. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself. I just realized my hand look a little bit dry because I just washed them, ready to go cook. Let's go.